A VPN, or virtual private network, is a type of technology that allows you to create a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet.
How?
When you use a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through an encrypted tunnel to a remote server operated by the VPN provider. This hides your IP address and online activity from your internet service provider (ISP), as well as any potential hackers or snoopers on the same network.
Using a VPN can provide several benefits, such as enhancing online privacy and security, accessing geo-restricted content, and bypassing internet censorship. However, it's important to choose a reputable VPN provider and to be aware that using a VPN may slow down your internet connection due to the encryption process. Additionally, some websites and online services may block access to users who are using a VPN, so it's important to research and choose a VPN provider that works well with the websites and services you need to access.